Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem you're facing with managing NPM packages using importmap-rails. It seems like you're looking for a solution similar to Yarn, where everything is handled seamlessly. However, you're encountering issues with importmap-rails only working with CDNs when pinning packages. This has caused some hiccups in managing versions, dependencies, and downloads efficiently, especially when trying to integrate with Yarn. Now, let's talk about the solution to your problem. By using the code snippet pin_to_esm.js, you can establish a smoother process for managing NPM packages. This configuration sets up the path for the underscore package, paving the way for a more effective integration. Expanding on the solution, incorporating import debounce from underscore into your JavaScript files allows for seamless access to the specific functionality you need from the underscore package. This targeted import ensures that the required functionality is readily accessible within your application. To further enhance your setup, you can pin the necessary dependencies related to the debounce functionality using the provided code snippet. By mapping out these dependencies, you create a more structured environment for your imports, minimizing errors and optimizing performance. Building upon the previous steps, integrating the import statement import debounce from debounce.js in your JavaScript application ensures that the debounce functionality is correctly linked and accessible. This establishes a clear path for importing and utilizing the specific features you need. To wrap it up, ensuring that your import statements align correctly with the asset URLs and import map configurations is crucial for seamless functionality. By following these steps and setting up the necessary pins and dependencies, you can streamline the process of managing NPM packages within your Rails application. Remember, a well-structured approach leads to smoother integration and enhanced efficiency. So, give it a try and see the difference it makes. And with that, we've tackled the NPM package management challenge with importmap-rails. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below. Happy coding!